Hi, what is stopping you earning a great income online and choosing your own hours? Getting rid of deadlines and bosses and take more control of your working life. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve both of those important things by earning an income online through digital marketing. I'm Nick Regan and I started digital marketing 2 years ago, and it was then that I had the realization that my life has always revolved around my work and its long hours. And it doesn't have to be that way, and I regret not being able to pick up my kids from school when they were younger. I struggled to afford holidays, and paying off my mortgage early was certainly never an option. Working in digital marketing means the prospect of choosing my own terms, my own hours. If I choose to go out and play tennis in the afternoon or go out with my wife, I can do so and make up the hours in the evening and have that flexibility. I can go on more holidays and have the capital for home improvements, as opposed to just extending my mortgage and encouraging more debt in my life, which realistically I wouldn't pay off until I retire. If you click on the button that says Learn More, my business page will appear with the offer of free training. Click on the button on the basic page and fill out the form. And the free training, which comes in 4 parts, will be sent to your inbox. Please check your junk mail, as it sometimes ends up there by mistake. You'll become a subscriber and be notified of special offers and deals around digital marketing. If you subscribe today, you'll be invited to a webinar by one of my mentors, Stuart, who has helped hundreds of people earn 6-figure salaries through digital marketing in the last 14 years. By learning digital marketing, you'll have a major advantage where people are increasingly turning to the internet for their goods and services. Your campaigns earn while you are even sleeping, during the campaigns being in different countries or different time zones. You can earn while you're travelling, also as well as while you're working. The digital economy is booming, and to give you an idea of the economy in some detail, 4.6 billion people use the internet, and only a small portion of that actually use it for making money. Amazon, the retailer, in 2020 turned over $386 billion US net revenue, and half of that was made by third-party sales, the likes of me and you selling our products on Amazon. So what is stopping you? Click on the button that says Learn More, and I look forward to you joining me, making a better life for yourself. Thanks for watching.